Boy, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying down the sexy me. Oh, funny, funny girl that couldn't access. You're delusional, you're delusional, you're delusional, don't mind. Obsessed.
Dinosaur! Roar!
Kung ay mo te, mga video ko. Boy, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying down in sexy. Ay, piyok. Ito pa. Boy, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying down and sexy me. Oh, funny, funny girl that couldn't exist. You're delusional, you're delusional. Why you losing your mind? Oh. Are you serious right now, bro?
Hindi niya pa natatapos yung pinapanood niyo.
Ano?
Naruto.
Sino? Okay. Hindi mo kilala.
May nag-aaway na. Wala makulong.
Ay, diba hindi yung pangalan na itong lalaki yun? Sige, pangalan mo sa Roblox. Sana mapanood mo to. Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi pa tayo pit. Baka gusto kong pitikan kita dyan ng bula. Sinasabi ko. You're confused, you know. You're confused, you know. Boy, you're losing your mind, yeah. Funny, funny girl, don't doing it best. You're the new. After syempre maglalaba tayo, syempre handa mo na yung mga paglalaban natin, ha? Hindi kasi yan tubig. Anong paglalaban natin? Oh. Anong paglalaban natin, ha? Ano? Tubig sa baso? Mineral? Tubig ulan? Siyempre yung tubig panlabay, no? Wala na magagawa kung ganito yung attitude. Chat. Di joke lang, guys. You're confusing now, you're confusing now. By losing your mind, girl. Okay ka lang, baby. Diyos ko, dahil kung ako sa inyo, wag na lang ganyan yung ano. Wag na lang ganyan yung attitude ko. Wag na lang pansin. Ay, tumatawa ka. Diyos ko. Ay, wala pa tayo. Bye guys. Wawa na yung ano ko. Shit.